Today I'm gonna do just a quick unboxing. I have been running a Poulan Pro that was my dad's for the last 3 years, right after he passed away, and tried to keep that thing running as long as I could, and it's been great. But finally, it has bit the dust. It is leaking from way too many places after a carb rebuild. It's just about to catch on fire. It's just got a crack in the case. So, was looking for something for a DIY or a trail saw. Went through everything on the internet and found these Salem Masters. I was about to go buy a Husqvarna or a Stihl and found these Salem Masters 20s. Found some guys that take and throw Oregon bar 24 inches on them and run them as a 24-inch saw. This is a 62 horsepower. Forgive the dog in the background. And I'll get it unboxing and let you guys know what it looks like. Package is 20 some odd pounds. The bar comes shipped inside of the scabbard. You got directions, tools, chain. Let's see what else we got in here. And then the saw itself. All right, so here we go. Got everything out. Chain, front claw, tool. Obviously that does your plug, your adjustments for chain tension right there. It's pretty standard for chainsaws. Little small kit, not sure what's in here. Oh, a file for sharpening, that's pretty cool. Carb adjustment. These are the two Allens that are clearly for the claw out front. And the owner's manual. This is how it's packaged. It's actually pretty soft. And then again, there's the scabbard with the actual bar in it. So we'll go ahead and get started, and I'll let you know once I got it all together. It's pretty simple. You're gonna go ahead and back out the tensioner plate or the bar nuts that hold the bar nuts on. Go ahead and put the chain on to the actual bar. Go ahead and set a mild tension. I usually set my chainsaws a little bit tight because the chain's gonna stretch. This claw, before you install the bar, this claw always goes on first. So in case you don't know that and you're buying one of these, claw always goes on first. I'm looking in the manual and see if they have a preference on running the claw up or down. Most of the time, you just put it on how it is. So we'll see, and we'll go from there. I'll let you know as soon as it's built. All right, guys, I got the unit together. For those of you that haven't run a chainsaw before, you might know that, or you might not, there's a grease hole right there. If you don't have a specific chainsaw grease fitting, what you can do is you can put your finger along the backside and cover up the hole and then just pump some grease in there. I like to take fresh chains, obviously, needs lubrication. So I take some bar oil and run that across the bar as well. Fill this up. This is where the bar oil goes here. Put in the fuel. It recommends 25 to 1. Included a special canister for mixing it down. It's pretty easy to read. If you've never used one of these before, you find your quantity. So I don't know if you can see that, but there's a 10 right there. You probably can't see that. So you put your fuel in here, 10, and for a 25 to 1 mixture, you put your 10, so 10, 10, 1-to-1 ratio there, to make 25 to 1. So that's 2-stroke oil. I use pretty much whatever is available, but here's some Stihl. This is like $2.89 or $3. Bar and chain oil, you get some Stihl. It's pretty cheap if you go to Ace. This happens to be where I went today. All right, we're gonna crank it up. So directions say to pull out the choke all the way. I'm not gonna pull the choke out all the way. Even though it's a first start, I could smell gas in the motor previously before they shipped it, so they've cranked it. And it's pretty warm here today. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up with a half choke. So here's your choke right here. Pull it out, push it in halfway. Make sure your run is on. I for ignition, O off. All right, here we go. Also make sure your chain brake is pushed forward. Wow, pretty impressive for a half choke. All right, so we did need a full choke after all. I'm gonna take it all the way back. Nope, all right. No choke. All right, let that chain brake off and go rip.